Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by concentrating flavor. Roast tomatoes to caramelize sugars and deepen taste. While the oven runs at 220 degrees C, have 5 2 kg tomatoes, toss with 2 tablespoon olive oil and a pinch of salt, then roast 25-30 minutes until edges char. Make sure to sweat 1 diced onion and 4 garlic cloves in a pan with 2 tablespoon oil until soft. This builds a sweet, savory base. Once the tomatoes are glossy and slightly collapsed, scoop them into the pan with the softened aromatics. Once the aromatics and roast tomatoes are combined, add 1 tablespoon tomato paste and cook a couple minutes to develop umami. Make sure to deglaze the pan with 200 ml white wine or directly with 400 ml stock so you lift those fond flavors. Then add the roasted tomatoes and remaining stock. Simmer gently for 20-30 minutes to meld acids and sweetness. When done, blend in batches until very smooth. Then strain through a fine sieve to remove seeds and skins for that restaurant-refined texture. You finish by enriching and balancing. Off the heat, whisk in 30-60 g cold butter or 50 ml cream to emulsify and add shine. This lifts mouthfeel. Make sure to taste and adjust seasoning with salt, a splash of balsamic or 1 tsp sugar to tame acidity, and fresh black pepper. Reheat gently to serving temperature. If the soup is too thin, reduce by simmering uncovered. If overly acidic, add a pinch of baking soda or a little more sugar. Plate hot with basil and crisp croutons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.